Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your Philips Fidelio L4 on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Then click on search line right here or click on the search here and write Philips. Now search and scroll down. You should install this application. Allow, accept, continue, close it, next. Okay, we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!